Welcome to the Remote Learning Committee. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be grading and returning student work in Google Classroom. If you're new to Google Classroom, if you haven't already watched our video making an assignment in Google Classroom, we encourage you to watch that first. So we're going to dive right into our classwork. Let's select an assignment to grade by clicking on View Assignment. We're going to grade the Mark as Done assignment. You'll see on the left-hand side, students who completed the assignment by clicking Mark as Done are moved to the top in the Turned In section. We can give everyone who completed this assignment a 100%. You'll notice that when I give them a grade, this box also checks. That means that the student is ready to have their work returned to them. The Remote Learning Committee recommends always returning work to your students after you grade the work. To do that, I'm going to select the Return button at the top of the screen and then confirm that I want to return work to that or those students. Now, let's return to the class home screen and return to classwork to grade another assignment. The second assignment that we need to grade today is please provide a guardian email. Again, clicking on View Assignment. We made this assignment in our video inviting guardians to Google Classroom, and we made this an ungraded assignment. So we don't have any place to put a grade in. However, if we want to see the entirety of the private comment, we can click on the student's name. You can see their comments here at the bottom and easily reply to them. Let's let this student know we got her guardian's email and we've invited her family to receive guardian summaries. Let's return to classwork again and we'll select our Mozart assignment this time. To see the student's Google Slides, we can click on it here in the main page summary. Before we go through the packet, let's look around the screen. You can see we can add a grade on the right-hand side, as well as leave and respond to private comments. Looking more carefully, you can see we also have a set of editing tools so we can help the students directly. As we go through the packet, we notice that their response to the open-ended question was rather short. We'll leave a private comment asking them to elaborate more. The Remote Learning Committee recommends leaving all feedback as private comments, as they are much easier for students to find and respond to. We can see on the fourth page that they did correctly match Mozart with his instrument. And with that, we're free to give the student a grade and move on to the next student. We can quickly look at the next student's work by going to this drop-down in the upper left-hand corner and selecting any other student whose work we want to grade. We notice that this student's packet is blank. We're going to give them a 0 and return it as such. With all of my grading done, I'm going to return their work. If I click Return in the upper right-hand corner, only this student's work will be returned. So I'm going to select the drop-down arrow next to Return and select Return Multiple Submissions. I need to confirm that I want to select both students' work and press Return. With that, all of our grading is done. If you'd like to see this from the student's perspective, please watch our video of the same name. Congratulations, you're well on your way to successful remote teaching. Remember, remote learning is a collaboration between teachers, schools, students, and families. The Remote Learning Committee is honored you decided to invite us into your classroom's family. We hope to see you in another video real soon.